What's up, on Supra is finally here. Do you want to go look at a Supra? Yeah, I do. So we're on our way to look at the new 2020 Supra before Exotics on Broadway. So we're actually going to a dealership where I bought this BRZ at. And Jeff, the sales dude, was nice enough to hit me up about it. So shout out to Magnus, Toyota, Palo Alto. And we're pulling up, it's right there. So if you guys want to buy some used cars or new Toyotas, such as a Supra, come through. Alright, let's go look for Jeff. Dude, that thing looks hella clean.
Good morning. How can we help you too?
I'm looking for Jeff.
Yeah, please come in. We have coffee right there. And
Okay, cool. I just want to take a look at this. Dude.
Thank you for joining us.
Oh yeah, that's a $950 option.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this isn't a launch edition. Yeah.
But it is a GR, right? It says GR, the Guzzle rating. It says
Yeah.
GR rating.
But the launch edition ones don't have the carbon fiber.
Yeah, they have the red
The
man.
red ones, yeah. Dude, look at that gas. Okay.
But I thought the launch ones were only GRs.
No. They're big. Oh, hey, what's up, man?
Dude, I didn't even touch or set or anything.
Oh, really? Are we allowed to like sit in the car or like open it?
I just want to give you a few minutes. I'm just with somebody.
Oh yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, it looks hella sick. It looks a little bit more compact. Yeah. I try not to cuss in the videos. I'm trying not to get monetized. I'm trying to get monetized. This thing's clean.
This is like the biggest disappointment.
Yeah.
It's not the actual.
The concept one was a little bit bigger.
Yeah, the concept one.
If only it was outside, so like the BRC could be parked next to it. Yeah, because it's white on white.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
it has a pilot super sport.
Yeah.
Those are the tires you should get for your thing. Tell me,
Yeah, I know, but once I get some rims on it. Damn. They're marking it up on 25 grand.
oh my god, that's
Yeah, that's crazy. That's hella crazy.
I don't like how basic that is. That big.
Yeah, looks huge. Dude.
Jeff, you want to move it up? Will you move it up?
Which one? Oh, no. Go for it.
Dude. Oh my god, shout out to Jeff. Look at this. Dude, this is so crazy. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, that thing's crazy. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit bigger, but it hella reminds of the Z4. Yeah, it's on a Z4 before. Dude, it smells fucking amazing, right? Dude.
Oh no. It's no percent.
Oh, so what's in it?
So I will.
Let me just corner the markup first. That's fucking ridiculous.
Whoever's buying this markup is kind of.
Yeah.